Let's quickly go over how to render for animation to an MP4 using the new Blender 5.0. So I'm going to go into 2D animation, though this will work just fine with 3D animation as well. I'm going to first go to Edit, to Preferences, and make sure my system has my GPU selected. Do not select both the GPU and your CPU. That's not going to improve your performance at all. So just make sure you have just your GPU selected. Then I'm going to jump over here to my render settings, make sure my render engine is set to what I want. Eevee is going to do great unless you're going for final output, which then you might want to go with cycles. Finally, let's go to output. Make sure your resolution is set correctly. Your frames per second is set. 24 is pretty standard for outputting for an animation. Make sure you've set your end frame to whatever the length of your animation is. Then set your output. I like to output to my desktop. And then have a special folder to put my information into. There, I'm working on a grease pencil materials. I'm actually writing a grease pencil textbook right now, so make sure you follow along to see when that's available. Image to video. When you select video, you're going to get a new encoding. Make sure you set your container to MP4. The default setting, Matroski, is a great if you're wanting to do further editing in something like DaVinci or Premiere Pro. That's the new MKV setting, but MP4 is going to give you your standard output the way you want. Make sure your video codec is H.264, and then if you have audio, make sure that you turn on audio as well. I don't have audio in my current rendering. Once you have this all set, go up to Render and Render Animation. That will quickly render your project. So enjoy. I can't wait to see what you animate.